Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video friends, I will share you woodcraft ideas. I hope you like my videos. So friends, let's start today videos. Friends, wooden wall shelf. Take a small wooden board, smooth the surface using sandpaper. Now paint it in your favorite color. Fix boss brackets under the border. Now attach it to the wall. Your wooden shelf is ready, perfect for decoration and storage. Wooden photo frame. Take 4 wooden sticks, cut them in equal size, join them to make a square. Use glue or nail. Now paint the frame. Place your favorite photo inside. Your frame is ready, simple and beautiful. And friends, viewers, next is wooden key holder. Take a small wooden piece, paint it or decorate it. Now fix small hooks on it, attach it to the wall. Your key holder is ready. Now your keys are always in one place. And friends, viewers, wooden candle stand. Take a thick wooden blocks, make a small holes on top, smooth the edges, paint it or polish it. Place the candles inside. Your candle stand is ready. It's look very elegant. So I hope you really like my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more videos updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So friends, Hafiz. See you in the next video.